Hey there, everybody. This right here behind me is a really cool thing that I found. I want to show you how this works. So this is an outlet plate cover that has a built-in nightlight right behind it. It's pretty cool because it goes on automatically. I'll show you here, if I turn the lights off, how it comes on. If I turn on the lights, it goes off. Really cool. I have a couple of these here. I have one here, it lights up behind, so in the kitchen area here at night, it has a little illumination. You also have these in the hallway, so as it starts to get a little bit darker, they come on, gives you just enough light. Once again, light comes on, they go off. I want to show you just how easy these are to install. All you have to do is take off your old faceplate. This slides right up. Take a little screwdriver. Make sure that looks nice and straight. Tighten up. That is it, folks. It is that simple. That's how easy this works. We're having to try to use night lights like this, those little ones you plug in. These use so little energy. I think it's pennies on the year. It looks classier than having those night lights in. You can add these all around the house. These are really cool.